We begin at noon with the trial of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr. The jury is still in its second day of deliberations. After spending 4 hours deliberating yesterday, they were back at the courthouse early this morning. 13 Your Side's Callie Lichter has been inside the courthouse for the entire trial, has more on how the jurors are spending their time. Callie.
Elena, we're going on 8 hours of jury deliberation, and at the end of this, the jury will come out with one of 4 decisions. Guilty on second-degree murder, guilty on voluntary manslaughter, acquitted, or we could get a hung jury. Now, this jury is in a room that is locked down, and that means no one is allowed in to help preserve the jury. Professor and Associate Dean of Academics at Cooley Law School, Tanya Kraus-Phelan, says the jury gets to discuss testimony and view exhibits at their leisure. There isn't a timeline of when a jury needs to have a verdict, and with the introduction of the voluntary manslaughter charge, it could mean a place for common ground or could be a curveball for the jurors.
So if they were truly split after listening to the trial, some wanting conviction of second and some wanting to acquit, it could hasten or quicken the verdict by them reaching that middle ground with manslaughter. It throws a curveball. And then you listen to, like Mr. Borgula said in his closing argument, he's like, look, why do they want you to consider this less serious charge? Because they're worried they didn't convince you of second-degree murder. So they're hoping you'll come back with, a less serious charge.
Regardless of the new charge, she says the mindset of the jury when they first get to the room will likely determine how long they deliberate. And we know a verdict can drop at any moment, which is why we'll bring you the latest updates when we get them. Live at the Kent County Courthouse, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.
All right, Callie, thank you.